Okay, friends, we are on this HSK Standard Course 1 workbook on page 12, 13, and 14. So let us look at the part 2 here. So on 阅读 reading, so this is 第一部分 part 1. 第13至17题，看图片，判断图片内容是否与提示词一致。Questions 13 to 17. Look at the pictures and decide whether the given words are right or wrong. So here is the example. So 例如 so this one 电视 television. So obviously this is laptop. So it's wrong. 飞机 airplane. So this is correct. So number 13. So if you look at the pictures, so this is non-Asian, non-China Chinese, 中国人. So this obviously this is wrong. And then 14, 老师 meaning is teacher. So these are pupils or students. So this is not correct. And then 15. So these two business persons greeting each other, 你好. So this is correct. And then 16, 再见 meaning is goodbye. So this maybe Americans say goodbye to somebody. So this is correct. And then 17, so this is 学生. 学生 meaning is student. So this is obviously this is teacher. So this is wrong. And then page 13. So we come to the second part here. So 第二部分 part 2. 第18至22题，看问题，选择正确的回答。Questions 18 to 22. Read the questions and choose the right answer to each of them. So maybe this one is not the questions, but it's okay. So we'll find the answer. So for this example, 你喝水吗? Would you like some water? So the answer is not A, but F. So this one, okay, maybe I will minimize a bit. So this one, the answer is F. 好的，谢谢. Okay, thank you. So this one, F, is not the answer for these boxes here. So 18, 你叫什么名字? So meaning is what's your name? So this one, the answer is E. 我叫李欣. So my name is Li Xin. So this one, 18, the answer is E. And then 19, 你是老师吗? Are you a teacher? So this one, 19, is, so the answer is yes, 是，我是老师. Yes, I'm a teacher. So this one is D. And then we have this one. 你好，我叫李月. So, hello, my name is Li Yue. So the 20, the answer would be 你好，我叫大卫. Hello, my name is David. So this one, they are knowing each other. So 20 is C. And then 21, 你是美国人吗? So are you Americans? So this one, the answer is A. So this person answer 不是，我是中国人. So no, I'm China. I'm from China, or I'm Chinese in China basically. So this one is A. So 22, 你是学生吗 Are you a student? So this one, the answer is B. So because he answered, 我不是学生，我是老师。I'm not a student, I'm a teacher. So this one is the right answer. So we'll go to page number 14. So on part 第三部分 Part 3第23至30题，看句子，选择正确的词语填空。Questions 23 to 30. Read the sentences and choose the right words to fill in the brackets. So I maximize it a bit. So this one, there are a few options here. So example, 你叫什么? So the answer, just put the alphabet on these brackets here. So it's D. So this one, 你叫什么名字? So meaning, what is your name? So this one already in the example. So we'll go to this 23. 我是中国人，我是美国人。So this one, you need to put the no. So meaning is 我不是中国人，我是美国人。So the answer is C. So 不。And then 24. 你是老师。Okay, this one we have a question mark here. So is meaning is using this type of characters. So this one is ma. So it's E. 他叫 Okay, this one is 什么 Okay. So this one, what it is called. So this one, the answer is A. 26. 李月中国人，他是老师。So we left the last answer, last option. So the answer is B. 李月是中国人。李月是中国人，他是老师。So Li Yue is a Chinese. She is a teacher. And then next part here. So we have 4 options also. So this one, 27. 大卫不是老师，他是。Okay, David is not a teacher, so he is a student. So this one, the answer is G. 大卫不是老师，他是学生。So this is 学生 is pupil or student. So 28. 谢谢您。So this one, if you have this 您 instead of this 你, so 您 is for older person. So someone whose age is greater than you, you can call him or her 您. So this one, obviously, teachers always we will use this 您. So 28. So this one is F. 老师，谢谢您。So this one, 28 is F. And then 29. 我不是中国人，我是 Okay, 什么人 So this one, if I'm not a Chinese, so I will be Americans. So this one, 29 is I. So this one is I. 美国 So the last answer would be H. 你们好，你们是中国学生吗 Hello everyone. Are you all Chinese student? So this was H. So that's it for today. So before I end this video, basically you can go to this description of this video. It's below the video. So you can download this free ebook and print it out. So you got a chance to learn how to write 100 most common Chinese character. So this is written by me. So you can see the quick guide here. So understand how this guide works. So you can join my Telegram robot also here. So this is the character, one of the character. You will have learned how to know its definition in English. So this is a pinyin. So this is the character. So if you notice, the red color is radical. So others blue color is the remaining strokes. So the character is well presented in these grids here. So you got a chance to learn 100 most common Chinese character here. So if you want to learn to explore more Learn Chinese books, you can visit this URL here, Learn Chinese Books, so with an S, blogspot.com. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can always subscribe here. You can also watch the related videos here. So right below this video, there is a link. You can click it and then join my Telegram robot developer.